After acquiring veteran edge rusher Za'Darius Smith ahead of the NFL trade deadline to address injuries at the position, the Detroit Lions are looking ahead to their future on the defensive line. Smith, who has delivered 3 sacks in 5 games, was brought in to help fill the gaps left by Aiden Hutchinson and Marcus Davenport. With Smith under contract through 2025, his return seems likely, but at 32 years old, he isn't expected to be a long-term solution. With this in mind, the Lions may want to begin preparing for life after Smith, particularly with Hutchinson firmly in the team's future plans. In his latest mock draft, the Draft Network's Keith Sanchez has the Lions selecting Tennessee edge rusher James Pierce Jr. With the 31st overall pick in the 2025 NFL Draft, Sanchez highlighted the Lions' potential Super Bowl aspirations, noting that if there's any weakness in their roster, it's a lack of pass rushers. With Hutchinson's absence showing the team's need for more depth at the position, Sanchez believes Pierce would be a perfect fit to provide an immediate boost as a pass rusher. Standing 6'5" and weighing 243 pounds, Pierce had a standout 2023 season, recording 10 sacks, a significant jump from his 2022 total. Though he posted 7.5 sacks in 2024, Pierce remains a top-tier prospect for the first round of the draft. Whether he'll still be available by the time the Lions pick is uncertain. If Smith returns in 2025, the Lions could ease Pierce into a rotational role in his rookie season, giving him time to develop before potentially becoming a starter in 2026. This would also offer the team the opportunity to save money while maintaining a strong pass-rushing duo alongside Hutchinson.